रौनक हुई हुई है. We're just going to have a very light, healthy meal together.
Added with KFC.
You brought it from
Hi,
KFC.
this is Yamna and I'm Valia's school friend. I'm chilling with Auntie in absence of Valia. So, Auntie, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Nice to have company for dinner. It's really nice. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
We had amazing vegetables. We had bhindi, which was fried. We had rice also with really yummy wings from KFC. So we did a little cheat meal.
बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. गपशप हो रही है. I'm getting fresh news of Karachi life जो मैंने बड़े सालों से नहीं देखी. तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है वहाँ की बातें सुन सुन के. और इन दोनों की हरकतें, मुझे पता है ना वलिया जो हरकतें करती थी सिटी स्कूल में पीएफ चैप्टर में, तो वो बातें सारी मैं उसको याद करा रही थी कि ये करते थे तुम लोग. हाँ, आई वाज in that group.
She was like, "You were also in that Badmashi wala group." I was like, "Yes, Auntie. We all were the part of that group very proudly and happily. But today we are here, so
Doing well. All of you are doing well. इनकी जो हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट होती थी ना, वो हम पेरेंट्स को बुलाती थी. मेरे हस्बैंड और मैं गए और वो लिटरली ना वो जो हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट को गुस्से से ना वो आग बगोला होकर आपस से बाहर हो रही थी कि आपके बच्चों ने, आपकी बेटी ने ये किया.
So no, we were really good. We were very disciplined. बोलना भी नहीं जा रहा आंटी मुझसे कि we were disciplined.
harmless शरारतें.
Very harmless शरारतें till date. Okay,
guys
guys.
going to explain to us what she's doing in Islamabad, Karachi based person, और उनको पसंद भी आ रहा है इस्लामाबाद.
I'm really liking it. I actually work for the hotel industry, and for the hotel, I am an organizational trainer, which means I am responsible for training the staff, for developing them, for creating new skills for them, and making sure that they excel in life and in personal development and professional development. So basically, a hotelier with a lot of training attribute, and I love training. I love guiding people.
और कौन से होटल में काम कर रही हैं आप?
Auntie, currently I am working for Movenpick, which is a great property and very grand.
7-star.
Yes, and it brings out a lot of value to people over here in luxury, in comfort, and in sense of hospitality.
जबरदस्त.
Could you tell me how was her Sunday, and what did she do in the morning? And now I know what she's doing, but how was the day overall?
It was a very unusual day. मैंने अपने को पकड़ के रखा कि आज तुमने और कुछ नहीं करना, क्योंकि yesterday was a very packed day. Back to back तीन काम हो रहे थे इकट्ठे. So इसीलिए मैंने आज सोचा, जो मेरा पिछला व्लॉग था 160, उसमें आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा कि मैं क्या क्या कर रही थी, पर उसमें जो असल वाली चीज़ थी वो तो रह गई थी, which we couldn't share anyway. So today I have now consciously I'm trying to slow down my life, which is a bit difficult for me. I am trying to live a medicine-free life. Even vitamins and these things भी मैंने नहीं खानी. और I'm going to try and वही बात कि meditation, yoga, ये चीज़ों पे concentrate करना है, और अपनी normal exercises करनी है बॉडी की जो करते होते हैं. Exercises किए and have a very laid back life. मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, लेकिन हाफ डे मेरा बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा है.
So I'm really feeling the slow in my pace now from moving from Karachi to Islamabad. I'm really feeling the laid back life and I am loving it. Slowing
you
down
need
is
it.
so important. Slowing down really saves you from burning out. And I
Yes.
feel it is so important to the brain.
It is. And we have to consciously do it for ourselves.
Yes.
जब अब कल ये हो रहा था कि वहाँ एक साइड पे हमारे पूरा 6 men were working in our porch, और वो हमारा ये काम ख़त्म कर रहे थे upholstering का. इधर my batman was also preparing the food for the lunch at our home. ठीक है. और उधर मैं अपनी पेंटिंग्स वगैरह भी देख रही थी, और उधर मैं अपना ऑफिस वर्क भी कर रही थी. So these 3 things were going on simultaneously. Plus the food of the 6 people, जो workers थे उनका भी खाना, और जो 7 लोग आ रहे थे उनका भी खाना. So it was you know,
constant hustle.
yeah, quite a lot.
So today we are relaxing. We had an amazing food, having a really nice time with all aesthetics. You can see.
I'm
Siba,
enjoying life. I'm really enjoying it.
loving the Sunday today.
Savoring it, you know, savor करने वाली बात. हमने इतनी important बातें कर ली off camera, तो मुझे कैमरा ऑन करना पड़ा, क्योंकि फिर हम
We were talking about the energies around. It really impacts your mental health, and at the same time, Shireen was telling that our generation is different when it comes to this. So yes, we are, because we have seen what it does to our mental health when it comes to bad energies around us. So we know now what to eliminate in our lives.
बिल्कुल.
We are not a generation which would not want to heal. So not everybody is born with that potential to heal themselves, but at least we are self-aware. We know what suits us, what doesn't suit us, what makes our quality of life better. So I think that's why this generation evolves a lot. It's progressive. And Gen Zs were coming forward, so they're born with boundaries. Like, you would see every kid growing up and already telling you no.
Starting with baby C.
So baby is like,
वो तो
please,
एक और
no.
level है.
No means no.
He is another level.
Amazing.
It's important actually. हमने अपनी lives को ना वो करना है जिससे हम प्रोडक्टिव रहें. ऐसी नहीं होने देनी लाइफ को जो प्रोडक्टिविटी हमारी अफेक्ट करे.
Yeah,
You know?
productivity with mental peace.
Yes.
Okay, in the end of the day, there's no point of that productivity if you're not at peace.
बिल्कुल.
So I think I invest in that. Like Karachi is full of productivity, full of hustling. But then Islamabad for me right now is a mixture of productivity and at the same time parallel to mental peace.
बहुत.
So mental
So
peace if you have in
amazing.
the day, I mean, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Like I see my mom always been, parenting alone, because my dad used to be on the ship mostly, and he was a captain in Merchant Navy. So now he has passed away, and I see my mother like and so is us, like we're so hyper independent कि हमारे अंदर ना वो masculinity आ जाती है of like fighting the world and constant struggling. So I feel like that feminine era, when it really approaches, it's always a part of you. So if you see this painting, all these three women actually describe different feminine eras. Like if you see the middle one, she's more in despair and distress, but she knows she has a supportive woman right there who knows what flower to pick. Like someone who knows how to do the decisions, how to make those decisions which are stronger in your life, like we have better impact. And I think the third woman, if you see Auntie, what do you think about that? Like she's more of like relying on these two.
I don't know. I feel a lot of tranquility in them. Very confident
Yes, I think
and
in
very
as a group.
comfortable in their femininity,
Yeah.
and still ready to face anything.
Yeah, like staying soft,
हाँ.
but still staying in power.
Exactly.
Love
They
that.
are not flustered कि भाई ये ना हो जाए वो ना हो जाए.
हाँ.
डरे हुए नहीं हैं.
They're not fearful.
हाँ.
They're not scared,
Yeah.
and they're ready to take on the world,
Right.
along
बिल्कुल.
with holding to all these accessories, which shows their femininity. So I love that.
है ना? This is Hajra's. This is her. क्या कहें कि her signature style.
Okay.
हाँ.
Very pretty.
Her watercolors have always been amazing.
Yeah, and I love how she has added turquoise
Yeah, it's
with
beautiful.
the droppings. I love
Yeah.
that.
That's why you see this sofa looks really nice under it.
Yeah, it does. Now I'm on
हाँ.
it.
पहले मेरा एक पिंक सा सोफा था, उसमें फिर इसके पिंक टोन्स हाईलाइट होते थे.
हाँ.
अब ये टर्कोइज वाला है तो उसमें वो फिर ब्लू
इसमें
टोन्स
भी, yeah. It's really going
हाईलाइट
with
हो
the-
रहे हैं. Yeah.
Especially the wall, the brick as well.
Yeah. This Movenpick is 9 months old.
Movenpick is 9 months old.
अच्छा, और ये इसकी it has this helipad,
Yeah,
which is a really
it does.
हाँ.
It does. And it has their restaurants at the rooftop. It has Zen Asia. It has which serves Pan Asian cuisines, Japanese, Italian. Then we have Core restaurant, which is actually serving Pakistani cuisines. as if it's a fusion of a lot of food and beverage outlets, giving you a 5-star service at the same time, a very good ambience. The product itself is very beautifully made, very well to visit and see, and see how my staff is doing there, because that's the starting of the day.
Yes, and the hotel stay का सबसे बड़ा charm ही उसका breakfast होता है.
ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, सुबह से ही आपका दिन अच्छा हो जाता है.
Get out.
सुबह से दिन अच्छा हो जाता है या बुरा हो जाता है. It really depends on the breakfast.
Yes. शीदा के साथ बड़ी बॉन्डिंग हुई हुई है इनकी. शीदा हमारा गेस्ट हुआ है आजकल. हाँ.
मैं गेस्ट नहीं हूँ, शीदा गेस्ट.
हाँ, शीदा गेस्ट.
Wally, you better watch this. This is how close Sheeda and I live with each other. Casually walking on my pants. बहुत मज़े से चलती हैं ये मेरे पैरों के ऊपर और आके मेरे ऊपर लेट जाती हैं. ये इन्होंने जगह पकड़ ली.
इतनी प्यारी है ना. Come on. Come on. आ जाओ बैठो. अभी जनाब यमुना अभी अपने ऊपर चली गई है वापस. और ये जी इस वक्त के हालात हैं और मिस्टी को तो बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा. शीदा उसने कहा चलो मैं ज़रा. बहुत ही प्यारा संडे गुजरा. हैड अ लवली टाइम. खूब मैंने कॉन्शियसली रिलैक्स किया. छोटी मोटी शॉपिंग की, थोड़ा सा काम था वो किया और उसके बाद बस हिम्मत नहीं पड़ी. पिंडी जाने का दिल तो था लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं पड़ रही थी. मैंने कहा बस ये आजकल काफ़ी बिज़ी ट्रेंड चल रहा है, काम हो रहे हैं रोज़, तो थोड़ा सा आज संडे का है दिन थोड़ा रिलैक्स करने का. तो ये बात है. इंशाल्लाह पिंडी का भी चक्कर लगेगा और अल्लाह का शुक्र है मेरी दोनों जो फूफियाँ हैं दे आर इम्प्रूविंग. स्पेशली माई फूफी अजीज़ इज़ बेटर, मच बेटर. और उनका मैं हाल चाल पूछ रही हूँ. So this was that. I am in a favorite shop in G9. It's called Burak. Okay? Burak Weddings. ये है. और इधर हम आए हैं. पाकिस्तानी है ये कंफर्टर बेड कवर और पिलो केसेस. ये देखो ये वाला डबल साइडेड बेड कवर है. ठीक है, पूरा खोल के दिखाएं ज़रा दोबारा. वेरी प्रिटी. इट्स फॉर 7,500. So it has everything in it. Look, ये पूरा बेड कवर है and it has those pillowcases. It has bed sheets. Here's the bed sheet. Here are pillowcases और ऊपर वाले pages. So to have 4 pillowcases and everything. So very nice, excellent. बहुत अच्छी. सीधा imported option है लेकिन उसमें सिर्फ बेड कवर और 2 pillowcases हैं. जबकि पाकिस्तानी वाले में चादर भी है, सब कुछ इन द सेम प्राइस. सो आई थिंक वी शुड प्रमोट पाकिस्तानी स्टफ एंड बेनिफिट आल्सो. वेरी प्रिटी.
जी
कुछ लोग रूठ कर भी लगते हैं कितने प्यारे. कुछ लोग.
It's your time, we're right above midday or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try, but you can never take the back. Going after some battle, we're some movement. So lead it, cultivate it, beat it, let them say what they want, but never believe that you do you, they do.
अच्छा, अब ये पेंटिंग तकरीबन मुकम्मल हो गई है. बिल्कुल डिफरेंट सी पेंटिंग है. और अभी होता है कि मैं 1-2 दिन इसको बस रहने देती हूँ. मैं देखती हूँ कि कहाँ कहाँ इसको कॉम्पोजिशनल वो चाहिए थोड़ी सी चेंज. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कहने को तो बड़ा आसान होता है, लेकिन इतना भी आसान नहीं होता। उसमें टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स ऑफ पेंटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। दिस इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ पेंटिंग विच आई सॉ ऑनलाइन, सो आई रियली लव्ड इट। और ये मैं टेक्निक बहुत ट्राई करना चाह रही थी कि एक ब्राइट पैच आगे हो और बाकी सारा लाइट्स और फेडेड से कलर्स हों। सो आई रियली लाइक्ड इट। व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ इज़ इट गोइंग? लंच टाइम आ गया। मैंने कहा बिल्कुल घी के बगैर खाना पकाना है, ठीक है, दही और रोटी के साथ।